Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this commenting platform to your WordPress website. So let's get started. Now the commenting platform that we're going to use is called Hyvor Talk. So just go to this website called talk.hyvor.com, and if you scroll down, we can see we have a sign up link. So just go ahead and register a new account and then log into the account. We can also see some pricing over here because it also has a free plan and also premium plans. So here we can see for the free plan we have one website, unlimited comments, and a limit of 5,000 monthly page views. And then for premium we have some more features, and then we also have a business plan. So just go ahead and take a look at the features and select the one that you want. I'll just be showing you how to add the free version to our website. So let's go back to the home page and then click on console. And if you are logged into your account, then you can see the account over here. And the first thing over here is that we have a general tab, and in that we can provide the website name and the website domain. Now since we are using the free version, we cannot have more than one website. So right now it is empty, we don't have any websites. So let's add our WordPress website over here. So let me go to our WordPress dashboard, and I'll just copy this link and paste it over here. Now if you're wondering what is this local, it is because I'm using this tool called Local by Flywheel to run our WordPress websites locally. So this is my local website. I have a video on how to create a local WordPress website, so you can watch that if you want to create a local WordPress website. And if you have a live WordPress website, you can just copy the link and paste it over here. But it is always a good idea to start by testing on a local website. Right, so let's click on add, and our website has been added. And now let's go to install and see how to install this commenting system on our WordPress website. So let's go to install, and if I click on WordPress, we can see some instruction over here. So the first thing is that log into your WordPress admin panel. So we are already logged in. The next thing is we have to add a plugin. So in the previous video I showed you how to add this commenting system to our Blogger website, and for that we had to have a different approach. But for WordPress we already have a plugin. So the plugin is called Hyvor Talk, and just go ahead and install the plugin. And then inside the website ID option you have to change it to 1790. So your website ID will be different from this. So just find your website ID. Even in general you can see the website ID over here, so 1790. So let me just copy this, and let's go to the dashboard, and we'll go to plugins and click on add new, and let's search for Hyvor Talk. And we have this plugin over here called Comments by Hyvor Talk. So just click on install now, and then click on activate. So the plugin has been activated. Now here we have a new option called Hyvor Talk. So just click on that, and here we can see we have the option of adding the website ID. So just copy and paste the website ID over here and click on save. And that's it. Now let's go to our website and see whether the comment has been added. So let's open a post, and we can see that our Hyvor Talk comment system is being displayed over here. We have the option of reactions, and we can type the comment over here. We have the option of formatting the text. We can add ordered list, unordered list, and code and links as well, and we can even add emojis and images. So let's just add a comment, and we can see the comment has been published, and then we can reply, edit, delete, and all those things over here. So that is how easy it is to remove your default WordPress comments and add this Hyvor Talk comments. So now if you go to the console of Hyvor Talk, we can see we have a lot of options. Like we have the appearance over here, where we can change the colors, so the accent colors and all. We can change the UI, So we have a lot of options like changing the box shadow, the box roundness, and you can just customize all these to your needs. And then under text we can see we have the option of what should be displayed in the comment box text and all these options over here. And then after that we have the option of community. Now if you want to add a message about the comments, you can add it over here and it will be displayed about the comments. And we can even enable and disable the reactions. We can disable or enable the captcha. We also have some premium features like real-time comments over here. We can also add nesting levels to the comments. Nesting levels are basically the depth of the replies. So if we have a reply to a comment, we can reply to the reply of that comment, and in that way we can add the nesting. So you can specify how much nesting you want for your comment system, and then all these options over here you can just check them out. I'm not gonna go through all this, I'll just show you some important ones. So in comments you can see the new comments, the approved ones, and the deleted ones. And then you also have moderation rules, so you can add a new rule over here. So if I click on add new rule, we can add some words over here. So if we add some words which we don't want in our comments to be displayed, then we can add those words over here, and then you can set the action as the following. You can keep them pending for moderation, or you can automatically mark them as spam or delete them automatically. So this can be helpful for you to keep your comments clean. And then you can find a lot of different options over here, you can check them out. And then you can also find the analytics of your comments. So that's basically it for this video. This is how you add a different kind of commenting platform to your WordPress website. Now if you want to remove this and go back to your default one, then you can just go over to plugins and click on installed plugins, and then just deactivate the plugin. Alright, now let's go ahead and refresh our page, and we can see the default comment system of WordPress over here. So that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful, and if you have any doubts you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.